time for Video Waves, brought to you by Northampton Community College.
Video Waves.
Telegraph, typewriter, telephone, doorbell, beeper. All devices of the future with a distinct ringing sound. With each device, there's an exact method used to stop the ringing. But what happens when a young girl attempts to stop the ringing with no effect? Ding dong, you've just entered Wolfman's eternal nightmare.
Hey, what you making?
Fried chicken and a vegetable medley.
Awesome.
Hey, did you read the paper today?
No, I didn't get a chance to. Why? What does it say?
A bunch of kids from our neighborhood got arrested for spray painting the neighbor's house.
Get out.
Yeah, I thought that shit would have stopped when that cop moved down the block.
Yeah. Is there anything you want me to do? Give you a hand with dinner?
Well, we might run out of breadcrumbs. If you want to just run to the store and grab some more just in case, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, I can do that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Hello, 911? Yeah, I'd like to report I don't know, I guess you'd call it a disturbance. Yeah, there's these kids and they keep ringing my... Hello? 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 You know, I know it's you. All right, don't make me call your mom or the cops. sleep. There's logical explanations for this. It's a kid.
Forgot my keys. Hey, babe, I forgot my keys. Hey, babe, I forgot my keys.